Hi everyone, I'm Veronica Quinones, the founder of North Star Senior Advisors.
And it's Savannah here, Marketing Director with North Star Senior Advisors.
And today we wanted to talk to you about online placement agencies. Agencies such as A Place for Mom or Caring.com, national databases that can help you, just the way we do, locate senior living options. But I also wanted to explain how we're different and caution you when you are submitting your information on those online platforms. More often than most, we are getting feedback from families that we've helped that they've decided to go online and search for assisted living facilities, and they often find a platform where they can log in and submit their information and get a database of facilities. The issue is they're not reading the terms and conditions. So with that, typically they're getting bombarded with a lot of phone calls.
Yes, and as she mentioned, oftentimes they call us saying that their information has already been blasted to a lot of communities because once they do log their information in, they don't realize that A Place for Mom, for example, is sending out their information to these communities and calling them, asking them if they're ready to move. So while we're a little different, is that we understand that privacy is very important. So we don't want to give out your information, and we want to just make you guys aware that when you do log in, just to make sure that you are reading that fine print, because once you send or submit your email and your name and phone number, they're going to most likely be sending it out.
So one instance that we just helped a gentleman who is a caregiver to his wife, and he already feels insecure about this decision and emotional. And so he was very disappointed when he submitted his information online, and he was bombarded with multiple phone calls at all hours of the day with facilities trying to sell him their information. When he called back A Place for Mom, he said, I didn't give permission for my information to be sent. He also spoke to a senior living advisor from A Place for Mom, and they were out of California. So not only were they not local, they were sending personal information to facilities in the area that weren't relevant to him. So it wasn't based on budget, level of care, or anything like that. What's frustrating for you is you're going to get multiple phone calls at all hours of the day, number one. Number two, it's frustrating for the assisted living facility because they were given your phone number and they thought that you gave permission for A Place for Mom or Caring.com to do so. So how we are different, like Savannah said, we are personalized, we are local, we've toured all the facilities, we do intake and we narrow down search options for you, and we never sell your personal information. There is a Telephone Protection Act, and we are very cautious of sending information without your permission. What other things have families said to you about these online lead generators?
Basically that, and as you brought up, they haven't been to the communities. Like sometimes a senior living advisor is out of state, and so they haven't toured there, and they don't know if that person can really, or that community can really accommodate your loved one's care. So they'll get these calls from these places, and once we talk to them, we're like, oh no, that community most likely will not be able to accommodate based on this and this. And so it's just frustrating because it's wasting everyone's time, right? The community, they don't realize, again, they're calling you thinking that you're okay with the phone call, and then it's frustrating for you because the community cannot accommodate, so
right.
You're just wasting everyone's time.
And each state varies when it comes to license types or regulations and things like that. So if you get a senior living advisor from an online national placement company in the state of California or in Hawaii trying to place your loved one in a facility in Florida, they don't know the license types, and there are 4 license types here in Florida, and it all depends on the type of care needs that you or your loved one needs. So it's already an emotional decision, and what we wanted to tell you is be cautious when submitting your information online. And especially for those resource type referral time platforms, because there are some out there that they're just gathering your information to sell it. So we just wanted to give you cautions about that, and we're here for you if you have any questions.
Please give us a call. We're happy to do some thorough intake before we share communities with you.
Yeah, and if you're not sure if you want to give us a call, you can visit our website and you can speak to us on chat. And you can also send an email to info@northstarsa.com, and we'll be happy to answer your questions.
Definitely.
So yeah, give us a call, 407-796-1582, or our website is
www.northstarsa.com. And within our website too, there's a video gallery section that you can click on, full of educational videos just about senior living or resources for seniors in general. So I encourage you to check that out as well, just at your convenience, of course.
Happy Tuesday.
Yes.